Alright guys, a lot of people mess this up setting up their Miata cam gears. When you're putting your cam gears back on, here's the intake, here's the exhaust. You want to line the pin up with the cam. If this is the exhaust cam, you want the exhaust pin in the exhaust hole. See, E for exhaust, just like that. Intake, the pin is on the intake, not the exhaust. Second thing, when you're lining up your timing marks, you're not using the pin, you're using the opposite one. So on the exhaust cam, you're going to be lining up the I mark with the middle. On the intake cam, you're going to be lining up the E mark with the middle. When you're all done, you can double check yourself. You see I have my timing mark there at top dead center. If you look down into here, you can see a divot underneath that timing mark on the crank. It won't come into focus, but it's right there. So those both show you your top dead center. And then in here, you can see we have the E lined up with that center edge. And we have the I lined up with that center edge. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you when I can. Thanks so much.